Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix matchmaking error in the Rainbow Six Siege. So first of all, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So there are 4 methods to solve this error. The first and the most effective method is that you have to just restart your PC. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. And the next method is that you have to just open your down detector and then detect here that if the server of the Rainbow Six Siege is down or not. If it is down, then you have to just wait for some time. After waiting, your problem will be fixed automatically. And the third and the most effective method is that you have to just open a website named as fast speed test, and after opening you have to just detect here your internet speed. If your internet speed is not stable, then you have to wait for the stable internet connection. And our final and the most effective method is that you have to just change your internet router, convert your Wi-Fi or internet connection to the second one, and after doing so your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below.